Okay, so let me locate you. Did I drag? Did I drag it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let me just download it. Yep, I've downloaded. Thank you. So I can just get rid of this. Okay, never mind. Just leave it aside. Okay, probably we can look at the last week one. Where is it, by the way? Last week.
Last week one. Isn't it the same one? The same PDF.
Yeah. Okay. One. I'm talking about last week. Wait. Did we finish the first set? I thought this is the second set already.
Yeah, this is the second set. We were doing the second set last week.
Yeah. No, I'm asking you for your the first set the other time. So there's no need to upload this because we already have this.
The first set. Is it?
Yeah, the first set.
Is it all the separate papers in one?
Yeah, like yeah, you have papers from other schools.
This one?
Or let me just zoom in and see. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Let me just download this. Thank you. Yep, I have downloaded already.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to the your school one. Yeah. Okay, so did I delete? Oh, okay. Yeah, good. So shall we look at today? There's no need to zoom in like this. So which page you want to talk about? Then you just yeah. So you just extract the page out. To resize it. This is good.
What's this? Alright, I'm gonna extract that.
And just put it side by side. Thank you. Yeah, sorry.
Wait, no, sorry. I think we've done this before already.
Yep. This question, yes. Okay, this is properties of circle.
Yeah.
Okay. So alternate. Okay. This question looks more like the not so much about the properties of circle, but more like the other than properties of circle.
The what? Oh, right. No. Got property of circle what? The same segment.
Oh, you need to use that? Oh, okay. So you need to prove what? Tangent to the circle C2 at R,
I need PDQ.
PTQ. Let's probably zoom in a little bit. PTQ. So you need to add in a line here. White. PTQ. Here, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's opposite angle. Cyclic quad because this is equals to this.
Yep. Yes. Yes.
Then you can get.
How do you How do you prove is the 110 is equal to the opposite this one? Can you prove that is a
Because the points they all touch the circumference.
Yes.
That's the cyclic quad.
Yeah. So it should be are they equal or oh yes.
They're equal.
So the angle in the same segment, yeah? Yes.
Hey, wait. They're equal or do they add up to 180?
They add up to 180. Yes. Let me double check. Angles in the same. Let me check what is angle in the same segment.
I think they add up 180 because the other side also add up to 180. Then you get 360.
Okay. Yep. So this is called angles in the opposite segment, which is called cyclic quad. Let me double check. It's 180. It's 180. Yes.
Okay, so then
So it's 70 minus the 36, right? Which is 34, right?
yeah.
Okay, good.
Wait, for SRW, do I need to use the tangent chord theorem?
SRW, yes, that's one of them you can use. So it's like you still can recall the tangent chord theorem. So it's the like this one, then you have this one, then you have this one, right? So this is your one, this is your one, this is your two, this is your three. So this angle is equal to your
This is 2 plus 3.
no. So
2.
Okay, let me just refresh your memory by giving you this example. So yeah, we just upload this. Just can you see the yellow color? So the green one is this is the 1, then this is the 2, then this is the 3. So you go the clockwise is the 2. Okay? So like I say you go clockwise, so yeah, it's the 2. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. This will give you the 2. So in a way, this is the 3.
Okay.
Does this help?
Yes. So now I need to find. Just need to find this. Which is
You're finding what now? PTR.
TTQR.
Which question you are doing? I'm lost.
Question 9.
Yes, question 9, but part, which part?
B.
Part B. B for boy?
Yeah, boy.
SRW.
Yeah.
So where's your SRW? S?
SRW is the 2.
2, yep, done. This is done. Then you should do PTR, right?
Wait, but I haven't found SRW.
Oh, you haven't found this?
No, I have not found it.
Okay, so your job is to find out 2. Yep, but you are talking about, you use the 2 and the black one here. Let's consider this is the 4, right? You want to use the 180 minus the, is it like the
4.
opposite segment?
Yeah. Because,
Okay, okay.
but I don't know how to.
Okay, you can figure out this, I guess.
But how?
No, I mean,
I know
yeah.
this one is 36.
So same segment. Okay, let me see. Is there a
Oh wait, this one is 36, meaning this one is 110 minus 36.
Yep, yes.
Which is the same as this one over here.
Yes. Same
5.
segment, yes.
Then 180 minus 5 you get
Yes.
4.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, the 180 minus 4 you get.
Yep, yes.
Okay. QRS is 120. QRS. Find PTR.
Let me go and get a pack of ice first.
Okay.
Cái sẵn của vốn là này chúng ta kia là bê bê phun lên là
Well, how do I find PTR?
For BTR, BTR is PTR, which is the. So okay, you have this 70, right? So
Oh, wait, we do?
because you no, we just got this 110, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
you just minus
So
it.
PTR is the, let me
There you
use a
go.
different color. PTR is this one, right?
Yeah, it is.
Do we have more in? Let me just zoom in. Okay. PTR. Okay. I think we have this one, right? Because you have the 2. What's your 2, by the way?
74.
Okay, your 2 is 74, so 180 minus 74 is 106, which is this one.
Yeah.
And then, can you get this? I think so, right? This one. Then that's how you can get this. This one. Let me use a different color. This blue one. Is there a way to get the yellow one?
How?
Okay, so what do you have? Can you, okay, let me erase everything here. Can you label the angles that you have? Otherwise, it's very hard to do.
SRW 74.
Please be, probably you need to make it, make your stroke more skinny. Okay, I help you out. 74. Yeah, very good. Thank you. So this is 74. Choose different color. This is 74. Then this is 106, right?
Yeah.
And what else you have?
36.
36. Very good. Thank you. Then and this is what? I think, okay, this is 74.
BTQ is already found.
Yeah.
BTQ is 34.
Oh, then you can get this already. Oh, can you? Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Not sure.
Not yet. Let's continue. Okay, this one is.
Wait,
So
no, they also give that this is 120.
this one, right?
Yeah, but if WX is a straight line, then it doesn't make sense.
Oh yeah, yeah, it doesn't make sense. Which one is
So I
120?
think maybe SRW is wrong. They give that QRS is 120. No. 120 would be this whole thing. This.
Okay.
QRS
Okay.
120.
Okay.
Well, it still doesn't make sense.
Okay. Good. Does it make sense?
No, it doesn't.
No, right? Okay.
That
So
means I think it's SRW that's wrong.
QRS. Okay, hold on. QRS 120. So 74 is wrong.
Yeah.
Can you read? Okay, so okay, never mind. So 74 is wrong. 74 is wrong. So let's redo it. So I think 74 here is okay. Let's do it together again. Okay. Let's do it one by one. Okay. So sorry. 120 given.
Yeah.
Right. This is 36. This is 36. Same segment.
Yeah.
And then you can find out this already because 36 110, so 180 minus 110 is 70. So 70 minus the 36 is 34, so this is 34. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and so if that's what it, oh, there is a parallel line, so this is 36 also. Okay, so this whole thing is 70. This whole thing is 70, right?
Yeah.
So this because it's opposite segment, so this whole thing is 70. So 180 minus the 70, it has to be 110. 110, so minus the 36, what do you get here? Can you use your calculator? 110 minus the 36. Maybe I use a different color.
74.
Oh, then this one is 74. So that means you are correct. Okay. So this is 106. So what is not right then? This is 106. Then opposite segment, this has to be 74, right?
Yeah.
And if you look at one,
Alternate
oh
segment,
yes,
you know.
this one is 74, but if this
Yep.
is 74, it doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah, doesn't.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So never mind. Let me go back to the same segment question. This one, right? So if it's here, it has to be 1, 2, 3. Oh, the third one. I'm so sorry. The third one. Can you see over here? Hello, hello.
Yeah.
So if you have this is the okay, this is the pink one. I'm talking about the yellow, the what is
This
this
is
called?
74.
Yeah, what is this called? What theorem is this?
Tangent chord.
Tangent chord. Okay, tangent chord theorem. So it's the next one, and it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, the same thing. So you go by this way is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's the third one. Okay, so the 74 in this case is actually not this. This is not 74. I mean this
Different.
this blue one is equal to this one. Yeah, this one. If this is 74, yes, this is 74. Yes, you black out. Yes, very good. So this is 74. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then you have a common x here, right?
But that's not what we're trying to find.
Yep. But never mind. We will try to figure out all this one by one. Then and you found this just now, right? 110, so it's 70. 70 is yeah, so it's
34.
34. Yes, so this is 34. Okay, then for this is parallel lines, so you okay, so this is there a way for you to find this?
No.
No way.
I don't
Okay,
think so.
interesting. Wow. By the way, this question is pretty messed up already.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is 36. Okay, yeah. You found this 36, yes. Okay, I think we start to get all the. Then this one is 72, so it's 180 minus 72. That's 108, right? This is 108.
Yes.
This is 108.
Yep.
And this is 72. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this is 108. And this is 72.
Wait.
Yeah.
72 plus 30.
Yeah. Yes. And what do we have? What do we have? Okay, let me just label the T, then the Q, and the R, and then the S. So, okay, this whole thing is, so because this is 120, is this whole thing is 60, right? Yes, yes. Okay, so what they want? Is this whole thing 60? Sorry, I think my mic gets problem. So it's 60, right?
Wait. But this thing doesn't add up. The 72 plus 34
Ah.
plus. Hey, no. Wait. 110 minus 36.
No, this 110 is the whole thing. So actually, the 110 to minus the 36, then will give you this this part.
Okay.
What's this?
Uh,
74, right?
74. Yeah.
Okay. But never mind. I'm looking at this. Is this 60? Because this is 120, so opposite segment is 180. All right. Okay, my mic seems to have problem. Okay, let me just quickly get this mic on. I'm using this headset. Okay, good. Can you hear?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Okay, now it's good. So is this 60?
Yes.
Yeah. And then what else? Uh, what else can we find? Did we make full use of all the angles already?
Yeah, but we're not supposed to use the 120
Okay, where we are stuck, like SRW or what?
SRW.
SRW is the, okay, is this one, okay. Then 74 is this one, okay. This is Y, and then this is okay, it's okay. I have to get this question and then just do it on my own. Okay, let's move on first. Let's move on first. Right? Let me print it out and then just use a pencil to do it. But okay, let me just screenshot this because I want this. Yeah, good. Okay, good. All right, so let's do the next question first.
Um,
Oops. Okay, all right. Okay, which question?
I extracted it below.
11, question 11? Okay, good. Okay, let's look at that. So over here it says you have this, then you just have to what? Oh, form. PS is here. So you just have to do this. Yeah, then you have to do this. Okay. So you just extract it out. I think you can get the. So probably we just add one more point here. I call it the z point. So I think you can find PZ, right? This is theta. Okay. Then this is 1. So this is your A, right? So sine theta. No, cosine.
No, this is cosine.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so cosine theta is equal to PZ over 1. So PZ equal to cosine theta. So cosine theta. Okay? And for this is your opposite. So it's sine theta is equal to opposite, which is your ZS over the 2. So it's 2 cosine theta. 2 sine theta, yeah. Done. So PS is. And RS, they also want RS. So PS is equal to cosine theta plus 2 sine theta. Okay?
Okay.
Done. Yeah, RS is the same strategy. RS is the same strategy. So this is your opposite. So this is sine theta. So RS is equal to, this is your QZ, which is sine theta, plus this is your R, let's call this the Y. So plus the RY, right? So RY is your A. So this is 2 cosine A theta. Okay, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Show that the area of the quadrant PQRS. Where's PQRS? PQRS. The area of the quadrilateral. So how do you find the area of the quadrilateral? Then there are many ways. So you probably can just find the one. I mean triangle 1. Right?
Yeah.
Then you have your triangle 2. Right?
Yeah.
Then you add the rectangle 3. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I should have this is what A, this is cosine theta, this is 2 cosine or 2 sine theta. Let me choose a different color. If this is sine theta, this is 2 cosine theta. Okay, so I should take this one times this one and half it, I will get 2. So for the 2 is half 2 cosine theta, 2 sine theta. Okay, then that's the 2. Then the 3 is sine theta times the 2 sine theta.
Wait, can half 2 cosine theta to sin theta be simplified?
Yeah, probably. I was thinking about that, but I just want to write it down first before I do the simplification. You're talking about the double angle formula, most likely. Like maybe sine 2a or something. Or that's why you get the sine 2 theta. Probably you want to help me refer to the formula sheet and help me like what you can simplify into. So let me continue with the rest. So this is a sine theta times the cosine theta, and then you halve it. That's your 1. Okay? So with this, then you just add up. So it's half sine theta cosine theta plus the sine. So it's 2 square theta. Then over here is this is gone. So it's plus 2 sine theta cosine theta. So how can we prove? Like 2 sine theta cosine theta, what do you get?
Oh wait, I'm looking for a formula sheet.
Oh, okay. I have it. Let me just upload it just to the side of this page. This is under EMAP formula sheet. I just put it on my desktop. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Should be, yeah, sine 2 theta.
Sine 2 theta, right?
But sine 2 theta is for 2 sine A cosine 2 sine theta cosine theta. This one is sine.
Never mind. Can you? Okay, never mind. Just drag it. So 2 sine theta cosine theta. Yeah, this is sine 2a. Or sine 2 theta. Below. Here. Are you following?
Wait, I don't understand.
You don't understand
Which one do you make the?
No. Okay, so this one is my 1.
Yeah.
This one is my 2.
Yeah.
And this one is my 3. But this one, they just half and 2 is gone. So I'm left with this. That's why.
So it's cosine
I just
theta
put the
2
two.
sine theta.
No, I just put a 2 in front. So it's 2 cosine and sine theta. It's 2.
Then why you divide by sine 2 theta?
No, I'm not dividing sine 2 theta. I'm just telling you I'm going to get rid of this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I get it.
So sine 2 theta. So now they want you to somehow prove. Okay.
Okay.
You see, this is the funny thing. If you forced it to be a 2, so this has to be a half, right? I mean 1/4. So therefore, can you see 1/4? And can you see you have a sine 2 theta here also?
Yeah.
So this one and this one, you will get 5 over 4 sine 2 theta, right?
Yeah.
Plus the 2 sine this one, right? So basically this one you can prove already, right? So now you are left with 1 minus cosine 2 theta. So is 1 minus cosine 2 theta equals to this? So you look at the double angle formula. Cosine 2 theta is equal to
1 minus 2 sine square theta.
1 minus cosine square
2 sine square theta.
2 sine square. Okay, can you help me out? So is it equal?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, then yep, that's it. So that's how you prove. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, good. Next.
Express it in the form of R.
So this one is the R formula, but you might not want to use the R formula. Okay, like you talk about memorizing it, right? But we learn how not to memorize it, but do it on the spot, right?
Yeah.
So for this one is R. So you have the sine 2 theta, and then you have the cosine alpha, right? Then minus cosine 2 theta, and then you have the sine alpha. Okay, then you R inside.
Wait, shouldn't there be R's? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then you just compare. So this one compared to this one compared to. How come it's so funny? Let me see. Express your this 5 over sine 2 theta minus the 2 theta in the form of that?
I don't know, but I think it should be square root 5 over 4 square plus 1 square
What do you mean?
for R.
I'm not talking
And
about.
then
I'm not talking about R. I'm talking about comparing the similar term. That means you will end up with this.
yeah,
Then this will be your cosine 2 theta, right? So if you compare, so basically your R sine alpha is 1, right? Yep. Then if you compare, then your this is gone. So your R cosine alpha is equal to 5/4. Okay, good. Yep, done. Very good. So you just take this, okay, if this is my 1, this is my 2, I use 1 divided by 2.
just to get
So it's
this is
tangent
alpha.
alpha equals 2. I just flip it is, yep, good. So that's how I get my alpha. Okay? Then you need to get your R also, right? Okay?
Yeah.
To get R, you just square it. So square everything. And then you square this also. And then after you square, you just plus. So it's R squared. Is equal to 25, 16 plus 1, and then R squared. So this will give you 1. So it's equal to this. So you just square root, and then of course you reject the negative 1. I mean you reject the negative value of this, because R cannot be negative. Okay? Yep, that's it. So it's 25 plus 16. This is what? 41. 41 over 16 square root. Yes, good, done. So R is equal to square root 41 over 16, and then alpha, of course, we have to solve this tangent inverse 0.8.
Wait, it's over 4 what?
Yeah, yes.
Square root 41 over 4.
Yeah, yes. That means that part is for you to continue to simplify. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. So that's how you get your R and your alpha. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And then your alpha is acute, so you just take the first value. Okay, done. And let's take the maximum value of the vertical cross section of the 10 and find the corresponding variable. Okay, good. So they want to find the what maximum value of vertical cross section of the 10. That means they want to find RS or area. So I'm sorry, area. Area means the PQRS area, right?
No, it should be PQRS times 2.
The maximum area of the vertical cross section of the 10. Why
The
times
whole
2?
cross section one.
Oh,
PQRS is only half of the thing.
oh, okay. So, okay, just get this out first. A is equal to 1 plus. This the 1 plus the back one is already converted to this square root 41 over 4. Then I have this sine 2 theta minus the alpha. What's the alpha, by the way? Tangent inverse 0.8.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, thank you.
Tangent inverse
0.8. Here.
38.7.
Okay, good. Just for our convenience. So the max value for sine is 1, right?
Yeah.
So therefore the max value is this for the area. Okay?
Multiply by 2, right?
Yes, like you say, then you need to multiply by 2 is 2a. In fact, that's, and then after that find the corresponding value of theta. So the max value okay. So the max value for sine is 1, right? And it happens at at what value? 90 degree, right?
Yes.
X equal to 90 degree, by the way. X equal to 90 degree. That means this whole thing is equal to 90 degree. So the 2 theta minus 38.7 degree equal to 90 degree. So it's 2 theta and 90 degree plus the 38.7. So you just divide by 2 accordingly. Okay?
Wait, if I don't know that 2 theta minus 38.7 is 90, right? Can I just
What
take
do
sine 2 theta minus 38.7 equals to 1, then I take inverse sine 1?
yes, you can. But if you actually you should know the, I mean, it's good that you have a graphical calculator so you can quickly see that the sine x equal to 1 is at actually 90 degree because of the basic curve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, then the cosine.
The
X
cosine
plus
is
1 is at what?
0 and 360. You just
Okay.
get the basic curve out, then you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. So always go back to the basic curve actually.
Okay.
Okay, alright, good. Okay, good. Okay, next. Are we done with this question?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, good, okay. Okay, next. Question 11 is very common. It's like it's bound to come out, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, I know how to solve that question already.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you see the thing? Okay, probably no. Okay. For the property of circle question just now, you know why I suddenly I can see it, because I try to zoom out. I zoom out so that I can see more things. So now I see it. Okay, let's go back to that question. Okay,
Okay.
can you see
Let me
that?
get a clear.
Yeah. Um, if you zoom out enough, just now I zoom out. Can you see that you can find x already? Because this is the triangle you are supposed to look at. And then you have 36
Oh.
here. And then you have this 94, right? Then you can find your x already. So this is 130. So the x is 50.
Wait, 94 is the whole thing?
94 is the whole thing because it's the 60 plus the 34.
Oh, but your.
This is 34. Then this one is 60.
Okay, yeah. Just your labeling is like not the whole
No,
thing.
60 is here. No, 60, 60, 60. The 94 is this thing. So when I zoom out, then I start to see this triangle.
Okay.
Yeah, so once you find 50, I think it's pretty easy because there's 50, this is also 50. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, then you start to see this is 20, 24. I think, yeah, you should be able to solve the rest. Okay?
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
wait, this doesn't make sense if 50 is that small and then 74 is.
74 is,
Doesn't add up to 180. Oh, wait, is it even straight line WX?
I don't know. But anyway, if you try this first and then you see what's the correct answer and then you see if we can get the correct answer. I think
Wait, but if you add 120, 50, and 74, you're saying that this thing is like 200. 100.
wait, the 74 actually goes into the 50.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, and the 120
Oh.
also go into the 50.
Oh.
Yes. Actually, the 50
Okay.
is shared by the 120 and 74.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. You can go ahead and um uh, oh, wait, hold on. I make a mistake. Actually, it should be 40. Okay, I tell you why we will get into problem because I've been doing this question using mental calculation. If you observe,
Yeah.
so and I have do so many calculations here. I don't have a calculator with you. with me. So you see 94 and 36 over here should be 140. So therefore this should be 40. Okay, so if this is 40, this is 34. And now it start to make sense. Okay, but then never mind. So I think the lessons learned, right, is use a calculator. I don't have a calculator with me, so that's the problem. Okay, so next time you need to help me out. Okay, so use calculator. And number two is try to zoom in and out. Like, I know you cannot zoom in and out during your exam, but you can always, let's say you have a paper, that you can also like just put the paper like far away from you, and then closer to you, from your eyes. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the what I call the zoom in. Zoom. You can zoom in and out. Okay.
Hey, wait, but
Yeah.
after all this, right?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to find SRW? It still doesn't.
X. Oh, wait, hold on. X and R. Okay. You want to find what? Oh, SRW. Okay. Let me see.
Yeah.
SRW, which is the this one, right? So this one is your
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Your 3
Yeah.
will be this small one. Okay. Hold on. This one, right?
Yeah. Is that?
Yeah, you have 120 here, right? Eh? So you can have this one is 80.
No.
This
We're
one,
not supposed to use the 120 to find SRW.
no, is
Because
this is 80, yes. 120 minus the 40, so this is 80. This part only, this is 80.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you have this part as your 74. This one is your 74. The 74 eat into it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's 80, 74. So it's 154. Then your this small one is your 180 minus, which is
No, but
26.
we're not supposed to use the 120 to find SRW because they tell us it's 120 in
Yeah.
the last part, but SRW is the second last part. So we're supposed to, like, we can't.
Oh, okay. So let's see if we can find this by other means, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I can, but I just feel that I have, first thing first, I can no longer write any more into this because of the limitation of this. I cannot zoom in and then. But if I have I have the paper, and then I have the pencil, I can label it more clearly. Over here, if I start to write into all this, this small one is going to mess up the whole thing also. But I believe once you get all these angles out, and then you should be able to get the answer already. Yeah, because I think we have like more angles, more than necessary to find it already.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. More than enough. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So you just have to find this part, because this part is equal to the 26, and then we know that this is the whole thing is 60. Okay, but never mind. I think we have more than enough to find it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next. And when it comes to the exam, you just give up on this question first. Go and do the rest.
Okay.
Come back and then do this. Okay? Don't waste too much time on this. So sometimes it's also about exam smart,
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why they give you the like A1 is 75 and above. Alright? Even with the bell curve, bell curve impact is still like, I think 85 and above, you will get an A1. So don't lose the forest because of a tree, It's not worth it.
Okay.
Yeah. Which question we are supposed to look at now? Okay. Is it the cumulative stuff or the what? Ah, no. This is the linear law. Okay. So this question is you need to plot that you are given this. So I think the concept for this question is the big Y equals to M big X plus C. Okay, and then this big Y is your XY, and then your M, and then this is your 1 over X, and then the plus C. Okay. And then I think you can see that you have your hx squared, then it goes to x over y minus k over y. Okay. I think the smart step to do is you times y throughout, then you will get this, right? And then you divide by x squared on both sides, you get rid of the divide by x squared or divide by x? Divide by x. Yeah, divide by x. Why do you know why I do this? Because I want to get this xy and 1 over x as my big Y and big X. You understand? So divide by I divide by x, and then what I get on this one is hxy is equal to 1, and this k over x, right? Yeah, can you see we are closer? And then after that, I think we just divide by h further. Then you get 1 over h, and then you get kh 1 over x, right? Yeah, so can you see that we have that format already? Okay, if you cannot, let me just rearrange it for you to see it clearly. Okay, then this is my big Y, this is my M, this is my big X, and this is my C. So let me just use a different color. This is my M, this is my C. Can you see? Yep. So once you get this, so basically you need to create another table of values. You are given the x and the y, but you don't need x and y. I mean, you don't need x and y. You need x, y, and then what? 1 over x. Yes, you need. Yeah, you need to. So basically, you take this times, that will give you an x, y, and then you need to use 1 divided by the 0.1. So it's 1 divided by 0.1. I think is 10, right? Then this is 5, right? Then this is 1/3 is 3, right? And this one is 1/4. No, 4 over 10. So it's 2 point. Can you help me out? Yeah, I find that. No, 1 over 0.4. 2.5. Okay. Then 1 over 0.5 is 2, right? Yeah, good. So you will get this pairs of value, but I still need to get the xy out in order to continue. So what you do is later you just sketch, and then you have the 10 and then something. You end up with a straight line. It can be of this or it can be of this. So this is positive. Let me use a different color. So this is positive gradient. This will be negative gradient. So I don't know which one you will get, but you definitely will get one of these two. Then once you get these two, then you will just find the gradient. Let's say the gradient, then you just, once you find the gradient, you just equate let's say the gradient is -2, and then 1 over h is your y-intercept, so just find out the y-intercept. You understand? Yeah, that's how you do this kind of question. Very simple. Okay? Yeah. So next then, they say use the graph to estimate the value of each of the constant. Yeah, done. Which is over here. By drawing a suitable line, the same graph. Okay, so this one you have drawn, right? So now your job is to draw this one, which is this one is your xy is equal to 1 over x plus 2. So it's like big Y equals to 1 big X plus 2. So you just need to draw this out. Okay? Yeah. And then that's it. Then you just draw that line, and then the intersection point will give you the value, you know. Alright? Yes? No?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Before we
So do I draw a second table?
actually you don't have to. Okay, by the way, if you need to draw this out, the second table is not needed if you can see. Hold on. So let's say this is your big Y, this is your big X, and then you need to draw this plus 2, right? You know what is the line? So 0, 0, and then 1, 1, and 2, 2. This is your big Y equals to big X plus 2. So every point shifted 2 unit above.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't want to use the table, you can use this way to do it.
I just shift it up by 2.
First you get this out first. Then you shift it up by 2. Then you will get this. You understand?
But the graph I have is it's not the same one.
No, the graph you have is xy over 1. This I know. That's why I say you see this as your big Y. You see this as your big X. Make sense? So you draw your big Y and big X out first. Then you just move it up by 2, and then you are actually drawing this already. You understand?
Oh yeah.
If not, then I have to wait for you to draw it in the graph paper. I mean on the graph paper. Then I just help you add to it.
But then x, y, and 1 over x, the big X and the small.
Yeah.
I mean the big Y and the big X.
Yeah.
They're the same as my first equation one.
Yes, that's the reason why I say you can use you can use this graph back, because this is your 1 over x, this is your y over x. This is your xy.
Okay, so instead of plus 1 over h.
No, yeah, which one you are talking about?
The original graph.
The original graph. So you have problem with the original graph? What problem you have with the original graph?
No, I think the original graph is plus 1 over h, right?
The original graph is what do you mean by plus 1 over h? You look at this. The c is 1 over h, yes. Okay, I don't know why you need to go back to the first graph to draw the second graph. There is no need to go back to the first graph to draw the second. Okay, never mind. Let's work it out. It's okay. Good. So it shows that you have problems. It's okay. So when you have problems, you need to sort out. Okay. So I just want to confirm what kind of graph we get. Can you give me the value?
For xy.
Yes, I have to have the value. Otherwise, there's no way I can get an approximate. Can you give me the value all here? Okay, let me just here. I want the xy value.
Okay.
Yep. Just fill it up over there. I will go and I will go and continue the second part. So later you will understand. Okay, good. So I need to estimate it, okay? Very good. So 10 is 5.5. Then, okay, so I should be looking at this. 10 is 5.5. 5 is, so 2 is 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's assume this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 is 14. Okay, just okay. So just let's not talk about the accuracy first. Okay, just talk about the approach first. Okay, approach matters. So okay, good. So when it's 2, then it's 14.4 here. This is 1. I'm sorry. So please use your calculator. Oh no, use a ruler. So when it's 2.5, then it's 13.8. So like I say, let's not care too much about the accuracy first. Okay? Because we are talking about the way to do it, not so much about the accuracy. So this one done, this one done, this one done. 5 is 11. 5 is 11. 5 is 11. 5 is 11. Can you help me out? Yeah, if you can help me out, you can help me out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 11. This is 11. Then this is 12.9. So, yeah, okay, good. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Then you have the 5.5 is this is 5.5. Then you go to what? 10. Sorry. Okay. So in a way, you just join it, something like this. Are you clear? Okay. So I think we okay. By doing a simple sketch, I realized that this straight line will go out of the graph. So that means what I need to do is I need to bring down this axis so that I can see my y-intercept. So in a way, you can quickly draw something to avoid mistakes like this. Understand?
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So I'm so sorry. So
Wait, can't you just move the whole thing down?
yep, I need to move the whole thing down, but okay, can. Yep. I understand you. I understand you. Yes. Or maybe you move the paper up.
Yeah, move the paper out.
Thank you. Yes. Thanks. Okay, but thank you. But during the exam you can't do this, right? Or you can? I
Yeah.
don't know. But okay, very good improvisation by you. So this is 15. This is 16. Yep. So probably we are talking about our y-intercept is 16.8 here, which is our 1 over h, right?
Yeah.
So 1 over h is 16.8. So my h is 1 over 16.8, which is that's how you get your h. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Then the gradient. So for the gradient, you need to pick 2 points. Okay. Which 2 points you want to pick? So probably like this. Actually the further apart the 2 points, the better is the accuracy. Okay. So probably you want to use this point, which is 16.0 and 16.8, and then probably you want to use the last one, which is 5.5 and 10. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Then 16.8 minus 10 is 6.8, and then this minus 5.5, that's the gradient, which is negative something. So therefore your minus k over h is equal to minus, what's this?
1.23.
Minus 1.23. So the h is 1 over 16.8. So therefore minus cancel, so k is equal to 1.25 times the 1 over 16.8. That's your k. So that's how you get your k and h. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Then now, like I say, you have to get this big Y equal to x out first. Then later you can plus 2, then you move it up. So this is your equation 1, which has been drawn already.
Okay, yeah.
And then now I need to draw the equation 2, and equation 2 turns out to be big Y equals to big X, and then after that I just raise it 2 unit up. So I just do the Y equals to X first. So Y is equal to X is this. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, so I just continue. Understand? This is my
Yeah.
Y equals, big Y equals to X. But I need to raise it. I need to move it up by 2 units. So this one will go up 2 units. This one will go up 2 units. This one will go up 2 units. So the real one will be this one. Let me use a different color. If you don't want to get another table out, understand?
Okay.
So the intersection point will give you the solution.
Okay.
And if you read over here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this point is your 7, and this point is your what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your 8. Okay, bear in mind, this one is your 1 over x. This one is your x and y.
XY.
Okay?
Okay.
So therefore your 1 over x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 1 over 7, right? So
Yeah.
xy equal to 8. So 1 over 7 times y equals to 8. So y is equal to 8 divided by that is times 7. It's 56. Yes. Make sense now?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so stubborn. I still want to go back to the what? Triangle question.
Oh.
And yeah, my hunch was correct. So you can get this purple color 34. And then this is your 26. This is your 26.
Yeah.
Because just now I say they add up to 60. So that's why this is a 26. That's how you get 26 here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without using the 120. Okay? So like I say, this, by the way, if you want to add on to this, you're going to mess up further. So just do it on a piece of paper for questions like this.
Okay.
But for this question, I think it's too messed up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay? Wow. It's already 8:30, almost. Never mind, it's okay, just move on. Yeah. Let's not take a break. Unless you want to go for a toilet break, quick one, then come back.
Yeah. Actually,
Okay.
I need to go get something.
Okay,
to drink.
good, get. I also need to get. Okay, thank you. See you a while. See you in a
Okay.
while.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure marathon.
Heavy lifting for the break.
Not easy though, Max.
No lah, not easy yet.
Not easy, it's not easy.
Yeah.
Crack. Wow.
Your brain has to go into overdrive.
That's why you need to.
And I'm doing O level leh.
Wow.
Okay lah.
Something such like Bob Man. Oh, Bob.
The point for me is I must enjoy lah. If I don't enjoy it, it's like
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
pain in the ass.
Right.
So now I enjoy lah, so it's not a pain. Yeah lah, about 12-hour day lah to me. 12 hour in between got rest.
This one is it's not physical, but it's mental.
Yes.
and this one.
No lah, this speaking one, I think I'm used to it, but mental exhaustion, yes.
Even your this almost give way already.
Hmm?
And you never use wireless.
Oh, I can, of course I can.
Be better for you.
Oh, actually I don't need. I need to record, that's why I need to. If not, okay lah, once a week.
Yeah, once a week. Tomorrow is your actually
Yeah, actually. But the key is still like I enjoy. Like, if I don't enjoy, it's a pain in the ass.
meaningless.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's like meaningless. Luckily, I enjoy. And sometimes I also empathize with my students. I think most of my students, they're really serious one. The one that they are not serious, then I can't comment. The one that they are serious, they really want to learn, right? They always tell their parents. They say, after Mr. Lu's lesson, I feel brain dead.
Brain dead.
Then their parents say,
Why?
what happened? What happened to you? You see? Because my lesson is always like 2 hours, so during these 2 hours, right, I will keep. Basically, we are like on the highway. Okay, it's very intense. Not about the speed. It's about the intensity. It's about the intensity. I'm not sure if you are like you are probably like overhearing us. I'm not sure if like you can figure out like what I'm talking about. I think it's pretty hard to figure out what I'm talking about. Also.
Personally, I feel very tired.
It's not. It's
For
not
me
like.
lah, for me lah, I feel
Number one, it's
Can
not.
it-
It's not like easy multiplication. Like,
all this is not.
yeah, and you need to refer to the worksheet, refer to the formula.
Look at the one, the two pie together and then the angle. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
just looking at it is already like it's daunting enough. It's scary.
Scary.
Yeah. That's why they say they feel brain dead after my lesson. I said, yeah, that means you are learning.
Brain dead.
Yeah. If you're not brain dead, that means you're not learning.